So earlier on we talked about the pan tool, yeah, how we can move around our object by using the wheel mouse. That was our pan tool. All right. So in this particular section, we're going to talk about the move tool. Using the move tool, you can move specific objects from one point to another. So under the modify tab on this icon, just click it and select an object that you want to move. We can select that object, then hit enter, then specify any point that you want to move your object. Now you can move your object to any point you want. We can place it there. Let's use the move tool again. Hit the move tool. Maybe this time let's move a couple of objects. We can have that object, we can have this object, we can have that one, then hit enter, specify any point. As you can see, now you can move your objects around from one point to another. And of course, the shortcut key to move command is M. Hit enter. Now select your objects again. Then hit enter, specify any point. Now you can move your tools, or rather your objects, from one point to another. And that's how we use the move command.